Welcome to your home with Alicia Smith, presented by F&S Building Innovations.
How many of you have walls you'd like to take down, beams you'd like to remove, things that just get in the way? So you know how one thing leads to another? When these customers came to us and wanted to lighten up their ceiling, it was gorgeous wood, but it was kind of dark and they wanted to lighten it up. So we put new tongue and groove to lighten it up, which is beautiful. But they also had these 3 columns in this space, which really confined them for furniture placement and even function. They didn't know it could be removed, but we said we can do that. We installed this structural beam and look how gorgeous it is. These customers came to the F&S Building Innovations team because we had previously renovated their basement. Actually, I'm not sure if it was a basement, it was cinder block, and now it's the den. But what they needed was a pocket door. This door opened into the space. It wasn't very functional. This pocket door fixed that. This space previous just had cinder block walls. It was not very appealing, but we knew it was a place that they could make a great living area. It's now a great den. They've got a full bathroom, and this fireplace is the perfect place to kick back on cool winter evenings. So in this home, there's really not an area F&S haven't touched. We've done all new flooring throughout. The stairs, we put new treads, a great carpet runner. We painted the home throughout. Really, we've been just about everywhere here. In the bathroom, we did this beautiful new tiled shower with a custom glass door. These folks also wanted a great new garage, so they opted for a 3-car garage with a bonus room above. The homeowner, I think the husband, has taken it over as a music room, which he loves. They actually call it the Garage Mahal.